Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got a little story for y'all, but to tell you guys what happened, I need a new control arm on the right side. And the reason for that, you already know. I drive for Lyft, do food delivery, and I was driving, right? And I basically drops. When I said drops, I dropped so hard in the pothole that I thought that my axle broke. That's how hard that I thought that my axle was damaged. But at the end, thank God, I had just replaced everything last year. You know, my control arms, new axle, new shocks in the front, new wheel bearing, ball joint, everything that's in the front I had basically replaced. And now I had just recently, the last video that I did, I had just got my new tires in the front installed, and now I need a new control arm in the front on the passenger side. Now guys, this is just the advice I want to let you guys know, to do your best to, while driving, please pay attention. It was nighttime, so I didn't see, and in that area was dark, and I didn't know, you know, because certain potholes you will see them, or you'll see them, or try to stop too late. That particular one caught me really good. The way how the road had that little dip that I didn't see, and I didn't know either. Yeah, guys, that one really got me. So I need a new control arm. I purchased one online, of course. I went to eBay, and the particular brand that I bought is from this company in Detroit. It's called Detroit Axle. Now, the last one that I bought, it was a high quality one as well. So as I said, let you guys know, when you're buying your parts off of eBay, make sure you get a high quality parts. No matter what parts it is, make sure you get a high quality one, and make sure it comes also with warranty. Because the one that I bought last year, it also have warranty. I had messaged the seller, and it's still on the warranty, and I let them know what happened and everything. Like, it's no good, so they're gonna send me out a new one. But I did it kind of late. I had already purchased the one from Detroit Axle. So that control arm is coming. It should be coming tomorrow. Tomorrow it's coming in the mail. But you guys know I'm gonna be on the road making my money anyways, because I got some bills that I do have to pay. But be very careful when you guys driving on the road, guys. It's very important. You know, these potholes be costing people money out of pocket. You know, they mess up your shocks, they mess up your axle, they mess up your control arm. Like, be very careful when you're driving, and be careful with these potholes, especially the real deep one. Okay, that one that I dropped in, I seriously thought that my axle was done. But I checked, I didn't even know it, and I didn't even feel it, because my tires wasn't good at that time until I installed my new tires not too long ago. It was like, what, last week I just installed my new tires. I think that's the last video that I upload on this channel, is when I installed my new tires, and I was saying about everything. And when I'm driving, first I thought, wait, my alignment is bad, but I was like, nah. I feel a little vibration, and it keeps going to the right. You know, and it's not like pulling, it's not pulling to the right. It's like slightly, like, just going. So I was like, you know what, let me get that checked up. I pull up at my mechanic, and I was like, yo, check it for me, because first I was thinking about, it's my alignment, and I told him that I just want him to check it, because I'm not sure. I don't want to go to no alignment shop, and then they tell me, no, it's not the alignment, it's something else, and then they're going to charge me the fee. So he checked it for free, of course. That's why I love going to him. He checked it for free, and he was like, yeah, man, your control arm on the right side, the bushing, yeah, the bushing is busted. Like, oh my goodness. So I asked him how much he charged. He said $150. I told him that's music to my ears, because these shops out here be telling you some crazy price. You know, I got a 2008 Toyota Avalon, the same thing as an ES350 Lexus, the same thing. And a lot of them love to, a lot of mechanics, it's shady out here. They be talking about, oh, you have to remove the whole engine. Get out of here with that foolishness. I don't know who they fooling. No, you don't. All you got to do is remove the lower the lower mount, raise the engine so you could get the space to unbolt the control arm, put the new one in there, put back on the mount, drop the engine, put back on the mount, put on the mount, drop the engine, lower back down the engine, because you're not removing the whole motor. You're not removing it. You're just raising it a little bit just so you could get to the control arm. And the same thing you do on the transmission side, which is the driver's side. You remove the motor mount on the driver's side, raise the transmission, and you do what you got to do. You have the space to remove the control arm and put in a new one, and just put everything back together. Easy and simple. But yeah, guys, be careful out there on the road. You know, everything is expensive right now. You got to shop around, get good quality parts. You can shop around. You know, eBay is a good source. I don't trust nothing on Amazon like that, because even my mechanic told me, he was like, people be buying their parts off of Amazon, and it works for like 6 months, and they come back and then it's no good. So, and he said also make sure you get warranty. So mine's, I got a year warranty on it. So, and all I got to pay is, I got it for like $40 something. I'm gonna round it off as 50 bucks and $150 for the fee. So that's like $200 right there. And plus I got to get an alignment, so that's like $250 altogether. I got to find a shop that do $50 alignment, because a lot of these shops charge like $100 and up, but they do have shops around the place. I just got to look around, shop around, that do it for 50 bucks. Be like 50 plus tax. But yeah, guys, that's what I came on here to share with you guys. Be careful. Do your best to avoid these potholes, or if you can't avoid them, just drive slow, take your time, because you don't want your axle to be busted. You don't want your control arm to be busted. You know, you don't want your shocks to go out, because dropping in these potholes will mess up your shocks as well. So all that plays a role. Be careful, be safe out here on the road. It's hot right now in Florida. I got my AC running. I don't know if you guys could hear the air blowing, but the AC is blowing, and it's hot out here. You know, the summer heat, very humid. It's real crazy. But yeah, that's what I want to share with you guys. I hope you guys have a blessed, beautiful day. Hope you guys take my advice. Hope you guys learned something. Stay away from these potholes and pay attention. Pay special attention on these roads, because I've been getting a lot of bad luck. A lot of bad luck lately. I just replaced all of those parts last year, and one is already bad already due to the pothole that I dropped in. And you know, I still kind of thank God that it didn't mess up my axle, but it do knock out the, you know, the control arms, but it's still not that much expensive, the way how these other mechanics was talking, and just think that I'm a fool. But yeah, guys, Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. You can share this out. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I have a 2008 Toyota Avalon. Still riding. Still driving. Still going. Yeah. I love it. Peace. Bye-bye. Take care. And God bless. I'm out. Peace.